Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Wi-Fi hotspot in your Windows 7 machine. Before we continue, if you want to see more contents like this, subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. Enable the notification for you to be the first to notify when a new video is released. For question, comment or complaints, go to the comment box below and drop it. Now let's move on. On your Windows 7 machine, you will see this icon, this Wi-Fi icon. When you click on it, you come to Open Network Sharing Center. Or you can come to this Start menu, click on it, click on Control Panel, and click on Network and Sharing Center. Then click on Set up New Connection or Network. Then you come here and scroll down to set up a wireless ad hoc. Click on it, then click Next. Click Next. Now you give your network a name. Just choose your security type. And then put your password. Then click Next. For it to allow us access, we need to set up some other things. You come to this Change Adapter setting. Click on it. Then right click on this wireless network. Then come to this property and click on it. You come to this sharing, click on sharing. Then you tick this box, allow other network users to connect through this computer's internet. Tick the box. Then click OK. That's how you can create a hotspot on your Windows 7 machine. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it useful. For question, comment or complaint, go to the comment box below and drop it. Thank you. Bye for now. See you come your way next time.